friends, in this video we are going to take a look at the integral of cos x minus sin x, all divided by root of 1 minus sin 2x. Let's recall from our trigonometric identity. We know that 1 equals to what? Cos square x minus plus sin square x, right? And also we know that sin 2x equals to 2 sin x cos x, right? So here we can easily replace 1 with cos square x plus sin square x, and also sin 2x with 2 sin x cos x, such that this integral will change into cos x minus sin x, all divided by root of what's our 1? That's what? Cos square x plus sin square x. Then what's our sin 2x? Our sin 2x is taken to be 2 sin x. That will be what? Minus 2 sin x cos x dx, right? So that if you take a look at this particular function here, it is also the same thing as a minus b all square, right? Which is also the same thing as a minus b raised power 2, which is what? Which is a square minus 2ab plus what? B square, right? So now here let's call our a equals to what? Cos x, and our b equals to what? Sin x, right? Then let's replace a and b in place of what? Of this, and also here we're having a and also what? B. Now this integral we change to cos x minus sin x divided by root of what's our cos x? That's a, plus our sin square x, a square, plus our sin square x, which is what? B square minus 2ab, right? Minus 2ab. This particular function is also the same thing as what? A minus b all square. Then let's just replace a minus b in place of what? Of this. That will be integral of cos x minus sin x, all divided by what? Root of a minus b all square. Show that this square can cancel this. This particular integral we change to integral of cos x minus sin x, all divided by what? A minus b dx, right? Then what's our a? Our a equals to what? Cos x, right? And our b equals to sin x, right? Which is this and this. Then this particular integral we change to integral of cos x minus sin x, right? All divided by what's my a, which is cos x, minus what's my b? Sin x dx. Abi, if you take a look at this particular function, both of them are similar. Then we can easily cross out this. This we change to what? We left what? With integral of the x, right? If you integrate the x, it will say is simply what? X plus c, right? So this is our final answer. Thanks for watching.